2019 Topflite National is done for another year. It's been a great event, more than 1,400 birds, great gathering of people, and we look forward to seeing everyone again in New Plymouth in 2020.
I got myself in the mood. I stopped at the KFC on top of the Bombay Hills. Had some wicked wings, which to be fair, some of those wings were larger than some of the entire birds I saw downstairs. Tasty, great looking little birds. And so thank you for bringing those birds up, and it was great to have a look around. And I know there's been a lot of people through today having a look at those, and who knows, you know, some little kid who's never been exposed. I don't even know that I've been in a room with that many birds in my entire life. Some little kid may see those and they may be here in 10 or 20 or 30 years time winning some awards for their bird breeding.